Alright, so let's make this quick. It looks real stock from outside. Really can't tell anything. The only thing you can really tell, burnt tips, you know. Borla, good sounding exhaust. Appreciate that. Then inside, you got where it's interesting. You got the AFE Stage 2 cold air intake. And then following up on that is the CTS turbo inlet. Then the CTS downpipe. And then I got a CTS intercooler down here. Besides that, I don't really want to get it wet. Chop it a little bit. See the APR coils, older spark plugs, my bad. And really that's it. And then I got a cop access port with a stage 2 from EQT on 93. Alright, so I just want to take a little drive here because, like I said, this thing's pretty stock from the outside, but that's just from the outside. This thing does not drive like stock at all. It's got quite a bit of juice out. Gets me all the dirty looks in the world. Yep. Pops are nice. 225 stock, I believe. And then I've done quite a bit, as you've seen. So with all that being done with the stage 2 93 octane tune, now it makes about 370. And I see a lot of people on, I don't know, maybe it's Reddit, just Google, all the Audi websites saying they're surprised to make 300. They're surprised to make, you know, on like stage 2 and like, or 370 to the wheel or crank. I'm not really sure, but I'm guessing it's to the wheel if I took a Mustang. Now for S3s, I mean, they make about 300 to the, I think, to the wheel. I'm not, don't quote me on that. I'm not exactly sure, but I know they make 300 horsepower about stock. And that's quite a bit of a difference in power, but you're also paying quite a bit more. And that's the thing, like when I was looking at cars, I mean S3s, they're like another 10 grand over what I paid this at least, and that's for a decent mileage one. I bought this with 40,000 miles on it, and it's had a lot of issues, but it's also an earlier version, and I had a lot of the earlier version parts on my car, and once they got switched out, this thing's running great. Just had a water pump go not too long ago. That was a pain, but I mean, hey, honestly, that was a dealership mess up. I took it to a dealership under warranty and they messed that up, and I'm paying for it now. They don't want to do anything now. Sioka. That thing's pretty quick. It's faster than an S3. I think at this point, faster than an S4 stock. I mean, I've raised tuned S3s and this thing just keeps up. Got a buddy with an A3 stage 2, but he's got E30 mix and he walks me. These are pretty powerful. I have a lot of people with S3s talk down on my A3, and I'm not sure why when this thing makes a good amount of power tuned. I mean, yes, from factory it's quite a bit of a downgrade, but stage 1 you don't need anything. Stage 1 you'll be above 300, and that's with certain brand tunes. I mean, you gotta pick the right ones. APR I heard is good. Now I'm on EQT, and personally I recommend them to everyone because I think they push their cars the hardest when it comes to tuning. And I have looked into bigger turbos for this car. I'm already in the works for it, but I'd like to upgrade my fueling a bit. I have nothing done to my fueling, and that's a problem. So once I get fueling done, I'm probably going to be looking into getting either a Garrett or the EQT, shoot, I forget the name of it. That says it'll make about 450 to 500 to the wheels. This thing will be spinning all fours. All fours. Alright, just to give a little test here.